All right, so good evening or good morning to each and every one of you guys. So tune in to this recorded, webinar. All right, so hello, Philippines. Good morning or good evening to you guys, to all my kababayans there. So this is my presentation. I'm kind of excited that we're gonna launch Philippines in 2017. But anyway, guys, before I'm gonna start the presentation, let me give you a little background who I am, and what I'm doing, so you kind of know me. So again, my name is Chris Medina. I reside right now here in Jacksonville, Florida, in the United States. I've been here since 2002. If you see this picture here, the Home Business Connection magazine, my story was featured back in 2013 when I start doing well, when I start becoming full-time to this business or profession of network marketing. You can see my family in here. I have my lovely wife, Rose. And during that time, she was pregnant to our third child. And this is the picture, guys, that we already have our third baby, which is Reina. Reina is almost turning 3 years old right now. So I have Christian, my oldest son. He was born and raised in the Philippines, of course. He's already here in the United States, serving in the Marines, in the Marines military service. And our daughter CJ is 14 years old, and of course my wife Rose. So we're both from Davao. And guys, though, I've been doing a lot of things in this profession of network marketing, and this picture shows. I don't know if you're familiar with the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is Robert Kiyosaki. So I'm so lucky to spoke with him about 2 years ago, back in 2014 at our Yoli conference. So I spoke with him in the same stage. So in a nutshell, guys, this is my background. If you can see in here down, I was born in Quezon City back in 1971. And of course, I was raised in Davao City because my mom is from Davao. Graduated Bachelor's Science in Nursing in Davao City back in 1993. And with that, I have also an experience to own a medical supplies and equipments back in the Philippines. That's my primary business before I came here in the United States. Okay, so I own the company until now. It's still in existence. Okay, so it's based in Davao, but we have operation throughout Mindanao and also part of the Visayas, especially in Cebu. So I have a 5 years in sales and management before we immigrated here in the United States back in 2002. Um, but again, I've been doing network marketing for the past 10 years, or what we call the multi-level marketing, network marketing, or sometimes you call it direct sales. I've been full-time in this profession, me and my wife. We already retired as nurses, so we haven't worked as a nurse for almost 5 years now. We're staying home, helping our team, build throughout United States and Canada, and now we're about to open also the Philippines. So we're excited with that. Just like I said, I've been a speaker and a trainer and mentor to thousands and thousands of people. And with this amazing profession, guys, I'm already one of the $1 million earner in just a few short years. So, okay, in this slide, guys, if you want to know more about me, you can Google me. You can find me in YouTube, so you can find more about my story. So just type in Chris and Rose Medina. This is my story, and you can find that. And or you can, add me to your Facebook friend. So I love to connect with you guys. So with that being said, let's get into the meat and potato about discussing this opportunity. So we're so excited. We just announced that we're gonna open Philippines now in 2017, when we did our conference in Salt Lake City, Utah, about a few weeks ago. So, guys, in this slides, let me talk about the business tool. So, most of you, if you've been in business, guys, and for me, this is very important for you to draw your attention how we, conduct business. And for me, this is very essential to understand. And I use this analogy, the five-legged stool, like a chair. So some businesses, guys, they have three legs. Mostly they have a compensation plan, product, or sometimes the timing. They have three legs. But for me to have a five legged stool is way better than the three-legged stool. So we're gonna talk about like the management. So one of the leg to have a stable business for you. If you're looking into a thriving long-term business, you need to look into the management. Of course, the timing. That's another one. Third, products. You need to have a good products system, and of course the compensation plan, because this is a business. You need to know how you get paid, and you need to have a lucrative business plan or comp plan for those small guys, the middle guys, and the big hitters. And of course we wrap up and and bond this this business stool of us, or the business itself, through the culture. The culture is the one that will hold the organization. Okay, so let me discuss this one by one. Okay, so the management team, guys. So these five amazing gentlemen, they've been doing businesses for quite a while right now. And in the nutshell, this amazing five gentlemen, they already have 100+ combined years of experience in multi-level, though they've been successful to their respective businesses. Okay, so let me talk this individual one by one. I know them. They've been my friends for quite a while right now, and I'm so lucky and fortunate enough to be, to be one of their mentee. So let me talk about the first, Corey Citron. Who is Corey Citron? So Corey Citron is one of our founder and our chief marketing officer. This guy is a genius. He's one of my great mentor. You know, and of course, he's been building businesses, like network marketing for 20+ years, and he's a seven-figure income earner. His background, though, by trade, he's a graduate in economics and at Stanford University. So Stanford is a very famous business school here in the United States, but he never practiced, the business schools, and he jumped into network marketing in his early 20s. But since then, he's been doing it full time, very successful, and now he's our chief marketing officer. So second guy, Darren Falter. So Darren Falter, he's our vice president, and this guy, he's the tallest guy among the five founders, and I love this gentleman. He loves to climb mountains, so I was able to climb with him almost 2 years ago in Mount Olympus. But he's a BP. His background, though, he owns other businesses also aside from network marketing. He's been a consultant to this profession for 20+ years. He's an author. He wrote books like How to Select a Network Marketing Business. So he's a tremendous guy to this industry, and he is well respected also. We have a DSA, or Direct Sales Association here, a club here in the United States, and he's one of those officers, and he holds that kind of office for quite a while. So the third person I would like to introduce to you is Bobby Jones. So Bobby Jones is one also of our founder. He's a VP of strategy. And this guy, talking about strategy, is second to none. His primary business guy, he lives in Houston, Texas. He owns the biggest security staffing agency in Houston, Texas. So, his people is the one, responsible for big concert, like, if they have a Super Bowl, if they have like a rodeo or big concert or anything like that. So he's the one, doing that kind of security agency setup. Now, the fourth person I would like to talk about is Michael Pritchard. So Michael Pritchard is our Chief International Officer. So right now, he lives in Asia, Southeast Asia. So he's been traveling all over Southeast Asia, but he's originally from Australia. So he's a good guy, big heart, and he loves to help also people. Very knowledgeable about this business, but his primary business in real estate. He owns multiple millions of real estate all over the world. So now this guy, the guy on the middle, I put him on the middle because he's the guy who organized this crew of management. So he is our founder, CEO, and president, good friend of mine, Ravi Fender. So I get to know Robbie, I could say about 7 years now. And actually, he is the godfather or the ninong of our youngest daughter, Reina. So he's the CEO, guys. And back in late 2009, he's the one who have this big vision that he wants to give give back to the community or to the to the profession of network marketing, and that's why they created Yoli. They get frustrated with a lot of companies, but again, these five guys, they've been doing network marketing throughout the adult life, just like Robbie Fender. His primary business also is real estate and mortgages, and he's very, very successful in that business. But they want to just give back and try to contribute to this profession of network marketing. So they launched Yoli late in 2009. So technically, we're almost 7 years old. But the Better Body System, the product that I'm about to introduce to you guys, has been in existence for 5 years now. Okay, so let's talk about our Yoli corporate headquarters. So now, our corporate office, guys, is located in Salt Lake City, Utah. So if you see this picture here with Kale, Kale is our COO, Chief Operating Officer. And this guy is the man. He owns the operation and runs the operation of Yoli. And he helped two companies went into $1 billion before he joined Yoli. So he knows about expansion and whatnot, and he's been involved also with multi-level. So this gigantic, corporate office, guys, is located in Salt Lake City, Utah. It's very huge, and you can see the warehouse here on the bottom. And Kale said that we will, outgrown this facility in the next 2 years as we open up other countries in like the Philippines. So that's our corporate headquarters, guys. So all our products right now is shipped here except Canada. So now timing. Let's talk about timing because timing is everything in this business also. So what is it for you guys, to all the Filipinos out there in the Philippines? What is it for you guys? Why you gonna join Yoli? And we know that there are a lot of company out there and they're good. I'm not saying anything bad about them, but what I can tell in behalf of Yoli, this is what I know about this company. So let's talk about timing. So our operation. So we're already open in United States since late 2009. And the second market that we opened part of North America is Canada. So we launched Canada, guys, last year. So we've been a year operation in Canada. We have a fulfilling center in Toronto. So that's one of the good things. This is our second official international market that we just opened recently. Now, I'm excited. Boom! Philippines. Oh, to all my kababayan, this is a good news, guys. We're going to launch and open officially Philippines in 2017. That's why I'm doing this presentation. And actually, I plan to head out and fly to the Philippines early next year, 2017, January, to help out the company set up the marketing team. So guys, timing is everything. So if we can see, we're only open in two countries right now, and third would be the Philippines. So you see, we're still a young company, but very, very stable. And for me, I need to look into the stability of the company before I join. And the credibility of these five gentlemen, guys, the founders is amazing. I know them, and on the financial standpoint, the company is loaded. We don't have any debt, so debt free. They self-funded Yoli. They don't own anything, and it's a private owned. It's not public traded, so that's a good thing, and it gives us security to us guys. And we have they have tons and tons of cash put aside, millions and millions of inventory. So they are rock solid in terms of the financial. So you don't have to worry about that thing. So timing. And this is a good timing for all of you, to all my kababayan. So let's talk about the next slide. Our products, okay? So remember, I've been talking about the five-legged stool. I already talked about the management, the founders. I just shared to you guys, the timing. And now I'm talking about the products. So products, the Better Body System, we call it the Better Body System because all the products that we created and in the future what we're going to create are part of the system. Whatever things that will help your body, that's why we call it a system, will come out with certain products in the future. But right now, let's talk about our famous product, this box here, we call it the transformation kit. Now it's almost a month supply for you to use. And what's inside this box is this four amazing products. So we have shake, the shake, we have the yes shake with malunggay inside it. So Filipinos, malunggay. So it comes in two flavor, guys. We have chocolate, we have vanilla, and the passion, our energy drink. We have pure, our digestive, capsule to help detoxify your system, and also the alkaline to balance your pH. So I don't want to talk too much on the product, guys. You can Google it. Definitely there's a lot of video that will explain about it, but in a nutshell, this is the products that inside the box to help your body transform. Okay, and good thing I could say this is all consumable. And I've been on the business of consumable back in the Philippines, and consumable products, guys, is great because you're gonna have repeat business, and that's what generates residual income. People are ordering the product month after month, month after month, and that's how you generate. Now let's talk about what is the cost or the price. So I'm talking about US dollars in here, guy. Okay, so the transformation kit right now is 285 and 94 cents in dollars, or in pesos. In pesos, guys, I calculated this one with the conversion of 46. 46 is to a US dollar. Okay, so I don't know what's the dollar conversion right now, but let's use the 46. So it's 13,153.24, which will give you a 200 CB, or commissionable volume. Sorry about that. Commissionable volumes 200, and this is the most famous kind of product package that the people were ordered. So most of us, we started on this one, for the whole month, and once we get our physical transformation, for example, that if you want to lose weight, and we lose weight already 10 pounds, if that's the goal, then you can transition to whatever products that you want to pick in here. So you don't need to buy the whole transformation kit every month. But if you want to, you can do that one too. So this is the Better Body System, guys, transformation kit. But again, Google it. There's a lot of information about it, and even if you're going to go to YouTube. So let me go to the next slides. Let's talk about business packages for you to get in on the business. And this is what we've been doing here, in the United States. Okay. So in the United States, we have called here the party pack. So what is the party pack? Remember, guys, I just talked about transformation kits. So the party pack, there are 4 transformation kit inside it. So 1 for you to use, and 3 for you to share or sell it when you're doing your parties. And this is business. You need to have some kind of inventory so your customers or your distributors will not wait, so they can jumpstart and start using the product. So that's the party pack, the big box, 4 boxes of transformation kit. So now, guys, the company will give you a total of 20% discount. Now remember, this is almost a $300 worth of transformation kit, but the company will only charge you or ask for 999.94 US dollars, because you're gonna have a 20% discount. In Philippine pesos conversion with 46, that's 45,997 and 24 cents. But this package, guys, business package, will give you, a volume of 800, which is great. Okay, and then next, we have the Diamond Elite pack. So you can see in here, guys, simple. The Diamond Elite pack was quadruple. There are 4 party packs inside the Diamond Elite pack. So you will receive 4 big boxes of party pack. And of course, transformation kit wise, since there are 4 inside a party pack, then there's total of 16 tickets or transformation kits. In US dollar, that's 3,787 and 96 cents. And in pesos, Philippine pesos, 174, 246 and 16 cents. So with the exchange of 46, and of course the volume they're gonna get is 3,000 commissionable volume. So let's go into the next slide. So now, guys, just like I told you, you don't need to buy the whole transformation kit, and these are the maintenance kits packages that you can purchase, which is very affordable, because we are very much aware in terms of the income disposition of the Filipinos. Okay, so it's very affordable, guys. So most people will stay buying it once a month. $63.94, which is on the range of 2,900. So give and take 3,000 to 5,000 pesos, monthly purchase you're gonna have, and some of your customer will buy into any kind of this packages combination. So for me it's very doable and affordable to people to do it, and this is can last, each kit can last into a month. Okay, so another maintenance kits package, we have joint relief kit, with alkalit and flex. We have hydration kit, truth and fun, and the daily essential kit, because we have also, guys, uh, vitamins and minerals there, and the omega. Omegas are great to lower down your cholesterol. And of course, we have longevity kit, and this one will give you 125 commissionable volume, the price of 171.85 in dollars. Conversion to pesos, 7,905. But again, that's 125 volume. Now the all these 69, guys, 60 worth of product are 50 volume. So you can see as they go up in price, they add also increases the volume, the commissionable volume. Like this one, 75, and the sports performance kit is 133.88 in US dollar, would give you 100 commissionable volume. So that's our product, guys. The good thing is that, like I told you, this is all natural, no harmful ingredients, no preservative, and Yoli didn't do any shortcut when they introduce any kind of product. So you're gonna be satisfied with it, guys. And the good thing is Yoli will give a money back guarantee in 30 days to all our customers. So amazing. So let's talk about the next thing. So we already talked about products. Let's talk about the other stool, which is the system. Okay, so system. So what is a system? System means save yourself time, energy, and money. So this is our system, guys, because I've been doing network marketing for a while, and I didn't really become successful overnight. Definitely, now I'm working 2 jobs as a nurse back then, and I have a lot of struggle, guys, because I'm a sales rep back then, and I do a lot of sales. And I thought, joining network marketing is all about sales, and I end up being the presenter and the salesperson. But if you do that one, you're not becoming duplicable. If you're not duplicating and make it simple to your team, then it's so hard for you guys to you know to to grow your business. And in here, we created a system. This is a simple funnel. I'm gonna walk you through and how this work. So we call it a prospect. So all you need to do is you have prospect your friends, your family. All you need to put in them to the funnel. So if you're in the Philippines, you can sign up people from from Canada, people from United States. So because it's a seamless structural organization, I will explain it later. So if you have friends from Canada and family, put your prospect there, and then what you do, you invite them. Okay, how do you invite them? You always lead inviting them. What is their needs, wants, desires, or problem, and we just offer solution. They have back pain. If you have issue with money, they're looking for extra money. Those are the wants or problem, and then Yoli is the solution that you offer. Now, what you do when you put them on the funnel, you do a BBP when you invite. BBP, guys, is the Better Body Party. This is presentation, what it means. So Yoli is fun of doing a lot of abbreviations. So BBP, Better Body Party. So there are 3 videos. We always use the videos, guys, because it's just press play. JPP, just press play. Simple, easy. So you can show them the Better Body video and the pH demo, so people can understand how the product works. The alkalit, and there's also an alkalit explain video, and the next step video. This is the video that Robbie Fender will try to help them decide what they're gonna do. It's either they're gonna be a customer, a distributor, or whatever. So those are the 3 videos. Mostly right now we have a 5-minute video. In 15 minutes you're done. And then if they say, Chris, I wanna be a number 1. So number 1 means they're gonna be a members or distributor. Okay, so they're gonna decide number 1 or number 2. Number 2 is becoming a customers. So if they say I'm a number 1, Chris, then they can start with a party pack. Remember the party pack? And they also have the Diamond Elite pack if they have a lot of money. So, and plus they also order some share pack or sample pack so they can give away some samples. Now, if they decided to become a number two, they are customers. Okay, so if they become a customer, you need to introduce them to the transformation kit for them to start. And there's some videos that they can watch, my 30-day transformation videos that will help them understand how they're gonna go through the process of the transformation. And these are some of the videos, guys, the blue one. And then you can follow up with them in the next 24 to 48 hours. So which is very important. When you have customers, you need to ask them how they're doing in the first day or second day, then the next follow up on the seventh day. So we really put a lot of emphasis in following up our customers and also our members. Then on the 25th day, guide, before their auto ship or reorder of the product kick in 28 days, the 25th day you need to follow up with them. It's either they already got the result they're looking for. It said if their goal, for example, is to lose 15 pounds, and they lose 15 pounds already before a month, now they achieve their goals, and you can help them transition to a lifetime or the maintenance kits, those kits that I talk about, the $63, whatever. Then continue them. If they didn't get yet the result, if the goal is 15 pounds, they only lose 7 pounds, then they need to continue using the transformation kit and go back to the system again and follow up with them. Now, assuming that, assuming that they decided to become a member. So let's go back to this one. The members, guys, when they sign up as a distributor, you're going to do an FTT, or fast track training. The fast track training, guys, you do the getting started video. This is all videos. It's amazing. You don't need to become an expert. We have videos, on doing the presentation, videos how to train your new distributors. So you press play, getting started, how to host a BBP. There's a video on that, how they can do a party and compensation plan. You don't need to become an expert. There's a video on that, and even with the products. And if you become a member, guys, we require you to do 3 better body parties, at least in the next 2 to 3 weeks. 3 better body parties. The more parties you're gonna have, the better. So this is how you can get, people when you refer them. Because remember, we have a free program of product. And when you have 3 BBPs, that's the new BBPs. As you have new BBPs, people will sign up. They become a prospect. It's either when they do a BBP, they're gonna decide if they're gonna be a number 1 member or customer, or number 3, not yet. So just go back with the cycle, guys. So that's in a nutshell, our system. And you can review this one, guys. So once you join, our business plan, we can go through this one over again. But again, that's our system. Very important. You need to have a simple and duplicable system. Because, guys, people are not duplicable, but system are. That's the reason why we develop a system, so you don't need to become an expert and end up doing all the presentation all the time. And that's one of my mistake back then. I'm so good doing presentation, and everybody wants me to do the presentation, and they bring their prospect to me. But again, I get so tired. Instead of me owning a business, I'm owning a job. So if you're not duplicating, you're not using the system, you end up owning another job. So which is bad. Okay, so next slide. Let's talk about the next slide, guys. Let's talk about the compensation plan. So there are 10 ways to get paid in Yoli. So I won't discuss all this one, guys. And there's a website that you can look into the videos on this thing. So again, I just enumerate them. First, fast start bonus. Company will pay you 20% on the initial order of all the distributor that you personally sponsor. So 20% on their initial order. If they bought a party pack, which is 800 volume, you're gonna make 20% on that 800 volume if you personally sponsor them. So which is $160, and then convert into pesos. Again, break even bonus, rebate retail. So if you want to retail it, there's a bonus on that one. Incentive, earn free products. So if you sponsor 3 personal preferred customers or more, you can get a free product every single month as they keep ordering it. Your 3 customer ordering month after month, then you're gonna have a free product. So as long as it is 6 times the volume of your auto ship every month. Okay, so what's on this? Some of the videos on this one to explain the details. Okay, and then the binary team commission. So I love binary team commission. This is a residual income that you get paid every single week. Remember, guys, in our comp plan, we make commission in a weekly basis. Okay, and then of course, let me go back on that. Unilevel. Okay, so Unilevel executive matching bonus. This is the bonus for all the leaders, and I'll explain it in the next slide. So another bonus paid weekly, luxury car bonus paid, you know, every uh, every month, monthly bonus as you qualify for the volume. Then we have travel incentives, guys. So we have 3 travels here in the United States. The company pay. It depends upon your rank. Okay, and then the diamond bonus pool. This is a quarterly. You're gonna get a share from the company. So there are 3 diamond bonus pool. A diamond pool bonus, the blue diamond bonus pool, and also the black diamond bonus pool. The black diamond rank can only get in and dive into the black diamond. So the blue diamond and the diamond, like diamond, double, and triple, will share on the diamond bonus pool. And of course, the multiple business center. So some of these things I will discuss, but not everything, guys. Just look into YouTube, Google it, and you will find some of this compensation plan from Yoli. All right. Okay. So next, what is our compensation plan and how we structure ourselves? I'm excited to share about this thing, guys. So we call ourselves, our comp plan, the hybrid pay plan, because we embrace and combine both binary and unilevel. So you're building 2 structure, simultaneously. So the binary, guys, this is the placement where you can place people. You're building a left team and also a right team. So let's take big example. This is me, and I have somebody in the United States, a personal sponsor, and I sponsor somebody from Canada. I place it under the United States distributor, and now I sponsor somebody from the Philippines. Of course, I will connect it because it is seamless and everything is synced. So I connect it to my last person, which is the Canada. I place the Philippines, and then if I sponsor somebody from the United States, I place it here because the Philippine guy is the last member that I place it, and then US. So you can see, guys, even though you are in the Philippines, you have a lot of chances that your business and structure will become international. There's some people will be placement on you from your upline, or you yourself, you can sponsor people from your US itself or Canada, and you can create that kind of international organization, which is all like same thing on the other leg. Okay, so on the binary, guys, the company will pay you 10%. Now 10% of the lesser leg group volume. So in this example, let's take example that you have a left leg volume of 5,000 and the right leg volume is 10,000 group volume. So of course the lesser is the left, then you get 10% of $500 US, a weekly commission on that. And then whatever the difference, like 10,000 minus 5,000, the 5,000 will carry over next week because we get weekly. Okay, and then again, guys, the unilevel. If this person that you sponsored, even though it looks like here in the structure, he's on the 5th level, but if you personally sponsored this person on the unilevel, the computer will look at this as your 1st level. Now, if you sponsor them directly, it doesn't matter if they're 100 level deep in your organization, they are 1st level on your unilevel. And then those 1st level that you sponsor in here, they become your 2nd level if you sponsor those people. So this is the unilevel, guys. So don't get confused. Just look into some of the details on this one. Okay. So move on. All right. So this is the unilevel executive matching bonus, guys. So again, this is also a weekly. You get paid weekly. The same thing with the binary. And this is mostly for the leaders who you really help somebody. And in this level, guys, you get paid from your 1st level up to level 10 with dynamic compression. But for you to participate on the unilevel executive matching bonus, you need to hit at least a rank of 5-star gold. When you become a 5-star gold rank in Yoli, so there's a volume required. This is the rank that qualifies you, for a luxury car bonus if you do it 3 weeks out of 4 weeks in a month. So if you qualify 3 weeks out of 4 weeks in a month as a 5-star gold, you qualify for the car. But again, on the unilevel, you'll pick up 15% on your 1st level, okay? As you go up in the next rank, for example, Ruby, if you become a Ruby, your your first level, guys, check match bonus of the person that you personally sponsor, you're gonna make up to 20% on the unilevel check match. And then the good thing is, you pick up the second level, okay, level 2. You're gonna make 10% on the your second level members or distributors. So when you go up to a double ruby, your first level, it went up to 25, and then it becomes 10% on double ruby, and then in here, guys, if you see it, the first level and triple ruby is 30%. But again, you pick up also different level, so you have level 2, level 3, and so on and so forth. Like let's take example, like if you hit diamond. So when you become a diamond, you pretty much get paid up to diamond, up to the 8th level. Okay, up to the 8th level. Okay, 8th level, and your first level will become 30%. Second, third, fourth, 5, 6, and 6th level are 10%, guys, as a diamond. Okay, but if you become a triple diamond in Yoli, you will max out the 10th level. Okay, and you're gonna make a 30% first level, and then from second level to level 6 in your organization, you're gonna make 10% check match, and from level 7 to level 10, you're gonna make 5%. So even it's only 10th level, guys, there's a dynamic compression. In my organization, even into 100 level deep, I still get paid. Because if nobody's qualified on that one, the computer always look into and then compress. All right. So again, just look into some of the details on the comp plan, section on the Yoli website, or even Google it or go to YouTube. So let's talk about the next slide, the multiple business centers. So now, guys, in our compensation plan, remember the binary. The binary team commission of Yoli, you will max out your pay leg, that's the 10% you get paid. The max out income you're gonna make per week in the pay leg of your compensation plan is 12,500 in US dollars, which is 575,000 in pesos per week. So if you max this out 4 weeks already, every week you be maxing out, then you're allowed to create another leg above. So this, for example, this is your original structure, your left and your right, your business center number 1 and number 2. Then you create a business center number 2 above. So this will be your power leg. And again, every time that you create and put distributor in here, that's your pay leg. You're gonna ka-ching for the pay leg, on the income of the binary. Okay, which is good. You can create another section on that one. So that's great. For me, 12,500 is already huge in dollars, even in pesos. Okay. All right. So now, another leg on the stool that we're gonna talk about is the culture, guys. So remember that leg, the one that 5 legs, the one that really bond and connect all those 5 factors, guys, is the culture of the company. And this is what Yoli is different from other company. We have our unique culture, unique to ourselves, and we tied up our culture from our mission, guys, which is we transform lives. So we transform lives, and it's in order, guys. We start with physical, emotional, and financial. So we transform lives physically, emotionally, and financially. So we're the kind of company, guys, that you won't see us going up on stage holding some big checks in there and showing our bling bling of ring and whatnot. So we focus on the focus, which is helping people physically, emotionally, and the finance is just the side of it. Don't get me wrong, we love the financial transformation, guys, but that's not the main thing in here. Because we don't want you to lose focus. I've seen company that collapse about this one. They hype up too much on the finance and they lose focus on helping people. So you need to help people, provide values to them. Through physical, help them, whatever the issue they have, emotional, and then financial is just the byproduct of adding values to those people. Okay? And then now, guys, I'm almost done. I leave you with this thing. Now, there are only 3 types of people in this world. Okay, and this one of my mentors shared this one to me long time ago. So 1, there are people who will make things happen. That's number 1. So if you make a decision, guys, if you are number 1. So if you're that person, make things happen, join us. Okay, don't procrastinate. Contact me. Message me in Facebook or whatnot. And we'll plan out whatever things. And again, those are the first person, make things happen. The second type of person or people. They are the one who watch things happen. They just become spectator, guys. They watching, they don't care what's going on. They're just looking at, because they're not participating. So they become an spectators. If that's your choice, it's up to you. And the third one, oh wow, these are the people that says, "What the heck happened?" They don't have any idea what's going on. They are clueless. And hopefully, guys, you become a number one. Okay, number one, and join our mission here, which is to transform lives. And that's all for my presentation, guys. Thank you so much to all my kababayan. Salamat na maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. This is Chris Medina in behalf of my family and to the Yoli Nation. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. We're looking forward working with you in the future. And go Philippines, mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino. Salamat po.